In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert special characters into your document using a quick and easy method. This is a great skill to know if you frequently work with different languages or need to include symbols that aren't immediately accessible on your keyboard. Let's dive in and see how we can do this using the Insert feature in your word processing software. We'll start by navigating to the top of your screen where you'll find the main tabs of your document. You'll want to locate and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is a gateway to adding various elements to your document, such as images, tables, charts, and, most importantly for us today, special symbols and characters that are not natively available on a standard keyboard layout. Once you're in the Insert tab, your next step is to look for the Symbol option, which might be grouped together with other text-related tools like equations or tables. Click on Symbol to open up a menu which will provide you with a small selection of common symbols. However, for our purposes today, we want to delve a little deeper, so we will proceed to select More Symbols. This expands your options significantly and brings up a dialog box where you can find a broad library of special characters. In this dialog box, there are a variety of symbols and special characters to explore, but we'll focus on a specific one: the letter A. This is common in several languages and might be particularly useful if you're writing in French or Spanish, or even if you just want to add some flair to an English text. To find this character, scroll through the list or type it directly if there's a search field available. Once you locate it, go ahead and click Insert. This will immediately place the character at the point where your cursor is blinking in your text, seamlessly incorporating it into your document. After you've successfully inserted your desired character, you can close the Symbols dialog box by clicking Close. This will return you to the standard view in your document, ready to continue with your writing, now enriched with the special character you've just added. Now that you've seen how straightforward this process is, you can repeat these steps anytime you need to insert special characters. It's a handy feature that enhances your document's professionalism and readability, especially if you need to integrate multiple languages or specialized symbols. Keep practicing these steps to become more efficient, and soon you'll be able to switch between inserting different characters with ease. Thank you for joining me today to learn this useful editing skill. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful, and that this will make your future document preparation smoother and more versatile.